Alright, we're going to take a look at these AV2000 TP-Link 2-port Gigabit Passthrough Powerline Starter Kit. Smooth 4K streaming and gaming on multiple devices. So this is if you want to be able to extend your network and maybe Wi-Fi is not working, or you just want to have that connection. So it's supposed to be faster than Wi-Fi. So we'll take a look and see what we get out of this deal. Right. So here's the two TP-Links. Has the manual and the devices. Keep this plastic off them. Now the big selling feature of these is it doesn't, like, they're big, but they don't use up the whole outlet. And it has the two ports here on the for your network. So you'll pair them together and send them out. So let's see what else comes in the box aside from the units. Oh, okay. Comes with some connection cable and another manual. Good stuff.
So my main reason for buying this is to stream video over my home network and be able to run things to my router without using up wireless spectrum. So what I did is I plugged this thing in, got it working, and I am trying it with NASA, which is over on 127 West, and they broadcast a feed that is in 4K, and sometimes they just show the International Space Station flying over the Earth with very high quality video images. Looking at it on my laptop is what I have it up here now. My laptop is connected via Wi-Fi, and I can see that it's playing chompy with the video quality pretty high, almost using up 2,000 kilobytes per second. So let's look at it with the power plug adapter. Right, so I went over to NASA 4K. I got about 61 SNR. So it's zapping to that service right now. There we go. So when it's zapping, and then once that little TV monitor pops up, that means you can start loading it. Now I'm going to load it up into SM Player. I find it just plays codecs a little bit better than VLC in my experience. I don't know if it's going to make it really big or not. Okay, there it goes. So we got the space shuttle taking off there, and there's the resolution for NASA here in this thing. It's actually almost 59, almost 60 frames per second. View, info, and properties. Control I. There we are. So just using Mozilla. So name is NASA 4K. So there's the resolution, the aspect ratio, the bit rate. Interestingly enough, it's actually using about half of what the bit rate I was getting yesterday with this. That's the video bit rate. Yeah. So it's using about half of the bit rate for this. Now the screen capture, I think, might be making this a little jumpy. Here's a little more information for those of you who like those type of stats and all that stuff. I actually seen this channel at 1500K BPS, but right now it's at 11805K BPS, and it's using LAVC HEVC as its codec, generally a similar, and it seems to be coming in just fine here on this end. I don't know if the screen capture is able to capture it, but it seems to be doing it just fine here. Show a lot of shuttle launches. Now this was probably shot with film, because back when they were launching the shuttles was quite a few years ago now. So once again, I just go to the info here, and the bit rate is still 11. So it's using about half of what the wired device that I'm using, the plug adapter. So there's still room for more, and I know there can be some even higher bitrate video being sent through this thing. One annoying thing about this device was that when you plug it into the outlet on your wall, a standard outlet, it's going to cover the second plug. So keep that in mind, that you'll have to run power bar through it and then use your other devices. So where I have my router hooked up, a router, a network drive, and all these devices that use all these wall warts that take up all this space, I have this mess of wires where I have my router. I have about a few power bars stuck there trying to share one outlet, which kind of, if TP-Link wanted to do it right, they should build one of these that's also like a 6-plug power bar so you can hook up all of your router devices. After having this thing for over a week, I'm quite happy with the results. I found that when I uploaded a video to YouTube, it was almost twice as fast, a little bit more than twice as fast than how I've been doing before, because I was using a Wi-Fi device on the other side of the house where the router is. And I remember it taking, for a Gigabit, it took about an hour, where it with this device, it was sending it in about 20 minutes or so. Not an exact, but I did find the upload speed was significantly faster. I did do a speed test, but the problem is my internet is not as fast as this device. So to do a speed test, I get the same results as if I would with Wi-Fi, just because of how fast the internet connection is using cable, a cable modem to the house. But if you want fast connections for gaming over a network, or for other reasons where you'll need this, it's great. For an HD home run, this would be a great accessory to have if you're using it. Now my HD home run is an HD home run extend, so luckily it doesn't need to be, it'll work. The extend works great. We'll compress it specifically for Wi-Fi, which tends to be a little bit slower than a LAN connection, but it's also good to have that without using as many Wi-Fi devices in your home. It cuts down on that from all the radio spectrum being used. And it works, I'm surprised how well it works. It was quite easy to set up. Just plugged it in, connected the LAN connection to my computer. It had 2 outputs, so I can run it to another computer or another Android box or whatever on the other side of the house. And also my plan was maybe to try it at some time, connecting it to another Wi-Fi extender, just so that I can extend the Wi-Fi range outside of my home. So definitely I give the power line plug adapter a big thumbs up from TP-Link. And if you're interested in this product, I'll have a link in the description where you can find it and look at the stats yourself. Thank you for watching. If you like this comment, please give me a subscribe and click on the bell to get the latest notifications of when videos are uploaded. And also come check out my satellite page, freesatellitetv.net, which is a link to a Facebook page, and you can learn all sorts of stuff about free satellite TV. And also come to my free satellite TV group, where I post information about satellite, and also it's a group discussion. Also, I'd like to mention that we have a Discord group. So if you want to come and chat on Discord, find Free Satellite TV, and you'll find me there. No one else has really joined that. I don't know if there's a lot of people out there that do use Discord, but I've been enjoying it for retro gaming and stuff. So come have a chat there. So please give this video a like. Come look at my channel. Come look at my Facebook group, Free Satellite TV 1 on Facebook. And I shared a bunch of videos and information about this type of stuff. If you're looking to get into this, the free satellite TV hobby, and I've made a ton of videos on this topic.
All right, now we are going to do an unboxing video. Let's see what's in the box. Ah! It's a snake! Oh no, not a snake! Ah! 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 It's biting my face! Ah! Oh no, a snake! snake! Ah!